But because I've already got the Z4 license.
Well, yeah, of course, but we're gonna be doing everything on a VPS.
Yeah, so I've been looking at VPSs that we can use. We can either use these guys, they're based in Vienna, Austria.
Well, I don't want anything fucking high ass ping for me.
Or we can go with the, or of course we can go with.
Well, if you're screen sharing, I'm not looking at the moment.
Oh right, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not screen sharing. You should see it now. We can go with VH. Of course, they have VPSs in I think Canada and stuff.
Oh right, I have your screen share popped up on another screen. How much space is it? 80 like
40 gigs. 40 gigs for the £4 a month thing.
well, we would need more than that.
These guys come with 40 gigs for cheaper. Oh, well. I went for their storage servers, which are out of stock at the moment. Typical way. And someone said to you, fireworks. What day is it today? It's not even like
Canada's Day.
what? Canada Day in the UK.
Apparently. So 2 gigabytes on for $50 a month. Is
Best VPS for USA. Would you want to go USA?
well, I'm looking at a premium VPS. I guess it wouldn't matter if we get budget or premium, would it?
No, go budget.
Get budget. 120 gigabytes of SSD, 16 gigabytes of memory, 6 vCore, 16 terabyte of bandwidth, 1 IP, $32 a month. That's not bad.
So these are guys I used before. $30 a month, 32 gigs of RAM and 100 gigs of storage. What about their storage VPSs? 8 gigs of RAM and a terabyte for $15 a month. That's in France.
36 gigabyte. Really? So for 96 gigabyte, that's not bad. A Ryzen 5 3600X 4 cores, 16 gigabytes of DDR4 with a 96 gigabyte NVMe for $34 a month.
I can't remember where Hetzner actually. Where do Hetzner post? I can't remember that. I know there's Germany and Poland. Ah, they have a USA one. How much are theirs? Sign up. Please wait while I go through the stupid verification. I don't actually think I have an account anymore because I think they kicked my account out of the.
Oh my god, $3,000 a month for one Wait, how do you get 1 terabyte of RAM? What?
I've seen ones with like 3 terabytes of RAM. Have you not looked at Microsoft servers?
Never even knew that was a thing.
Admin. No, I don't want to use that domain because that domain is. Hold on 1 second.
Hello, Greg Ashley. How you doing today?
You streaming already?
Yeah, I told you I'm streaming. I applied for trainee nights. I hope you've been at least playing on the server for 2 weeks, though. Because my staff manager will have to make sure that you're playing for 2 weeks. You can't just apply even though you've been playing for a short amount of time.
I can make accounts like so easily.
Yeah, Tristan, I told you I was going to stream. As long as we don't talk about the W project, we can talk about the store side. Because, well, who really
well, yeah, we know that. Well, for God's sake, what do you mean my passwords don't match? There we go. Okay. Oh. I haven't received it yet.
How do I get training? You gotta be active for at least 2 weeks on the server and make sure you follow the rules and actually play the server and not just log on.
I don't think that rule applied for me when I got. Well, to be fair, I was already playing for like a week after that. So I played and I've been on the server since October. Oh, come on, send me that damn link,
Alright.
otherwise I'll throw your ass into next week.
Holy crap, that video. Did you see the YouTube short that I uploaded a year ago what our spawn looked like?
I did actually.
Because I'm going back to getting where the spawns are actually. That was built by Karma and Hunting. They built it together. Well, Karma actually built most of that on his actual own world.
Uh-huh.
Like by hand on his Bedrock world.
Oh yeah, on the PS5 of course.
PS5 mouse and keyboard like that. Karma's an insane builder.
I don't know how to build anymore. I used to be built.
You can tell that RN doesn't use any custom builders.
No, they never did.
Their hub,
Sorry,
I'm
just
pretty
getting
sure, is pre-built, pre-bought.
Yeah, I know.
My hub is not pre-built. It was built by players. This hub that I have now, the survival spawn I have now, was paid for. But next season, I'm bringing in non-pre-built.
Yes, I know you are.
Sorry, I'm not looking at the moment.
I know you're not looking at the stream because I'm waiting for this damn link.
Holy crap! $64 a month for 6 cores, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 500 gigabytes of storage, and 12 terabytes.
I can't remember.
Bandwidth. 560 for 40 gigabytes.
What was the website I used before I went to?
You're telling me that's a budget? What's premium? $8? What? $85 for 32 gigabytes of RAM for a VPS?
These guys.
Okay, well, what's your web hosting? Unlimited for $2.99. Unlimited FTP accounts, unlimited emails, unmetered storage, unlimited edition domains, unmetered unmetered bandwidth, and unmetered or unlimited databases. Huh.
Databases, not databases.
Whatever. That would be good. Just buy 2 of these.
I can't remember what I used. Okay, these don't count because they're not DPS, they're all dedicated.
At this point, if it's cheaper just to do this.
Oh yeah, these guys. Yes, I know, I saw what you sent.
Because at this point, all the VPSs are expensive as hell.
But these guys aren't bad.
Like, don't get me wrong, I could get like 120 gigabytes of storage for $32 a month. But if I could just do 2 of these for unlimited.
Yeah, but the fact is that's just web hosting. Mine store won't actually use. They require VPS.
Okay, well, what about this then?
These guys, pufferfish, aren't bad.
That's what I use now.
Yeah, Never I know you use Never.
It would be Dallas.
It would Dallas Fort Worth, yeah.
$28 for 8 gigabytes. Sorry, but that's not worth it.
Yeah, 26. Expensive. What for? Yeah, these guys are $22 for 8 gigs, so it's $3 cheaper.
Yeah, with the premium, it's 25 on Novid for the budget, because we don't need a strong VPS.
Not really. So I looked at
So
how
70
much
with the
RAM uses the store uses, and it's like 512 megs.
how much?
512 meg.
512 megabytes.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
So you can literally get away with like a 2 gig BPS.
Well, if we're
But
gonna
one of
host,
those hosts that there's Discord bots on them.
well, I don't. No, the Discord bot's already paid for a year.
Oh yeah, of course it is. So they only really had the website on there.
Yeah, but wouldn't we need a lot more space than 15 gigabytes?
Probably. Um, what? Let me have a look at storage VPSs because they're not fast like VPSs, but they're good on storage, which is really what you want. And I can get if you look at my screen, these Catabo. These are pretty good. And we would use Cloudflare, by the way.
Well,
So
I would just use my domain.
yeah, but Cloudflare basically blocks the IP. So these guys,
Send me the website
yeah,
and I'll see.
let me send you the storage VPS website. These guys here.
Well, yeah, because we don't need we need it to be fast, but like.
So they're not bad. So 4 CPU cores. They charge more for being in the United States, unfortunately, which is a bit.
It's $13.99 in the U.S. How much is it for you?
£11.49 for their medium one, which is 800 gigabytes.
Yeah.
So if we go East US, it'll be $21.98 first month, but then it'll be no. Why am I in dollar? Why am I in pounds? I want to be in dollars for this one.
1 month setup fee. So if we do 12 months, there's no setup fee.
Yeah, and you gotta pay $217.
That's not
$260 a year.
217.
Wait, no, because I've got tax purposes on. Of course, you don't pay tax over there. Bloody Yanks. Yeah, and that's
Oh, I
400
have
megabits.
that. I have that in Canada. Here, let me switch to the
Oh yeah,
United States.
you need to go Canada.
No, let me switch it to the United States. Where the fuck is the United States on this thing?
Right on the bottom.
All the way to the bottom? No.
Pretty much down there. United States of America.
Oh, United
But
States.
even then, you guys don't pay VAT, do you?
117, so it's still the same.
217, yeah, 217
Oh wait.
per year.
Yeah.
Or that's the most expensive. So that's East US. If we wanted like Central US, it'd save on $15.
Oh, I don't really. I'd rather East. I'd rather it be close, faster load time.
We go Ubuntu because that's the best place.
So Ubuntu
And it's-
22K.
Yeah, 2204. That's where I got most experience.
Okay.
Um,
No private. Do you want a private networking enabled? No.
Not really. It's more expensive.
One IP address because we only need one.
Don't need object storage. Don't need backup space. Don't need it to be
Because it's
managed.
what,
too
800
much.
gigabytes?
Yeah, 800 gigabytes.
400 megabytes per second. That should be good, right?
Yeah, it'll be fine. SSL certificate, we can get a free one. But it just has to be renewed every 3 months. Monitoring, it'll be me.
Should I
That monitor-
just pay the one-time charge of the SS certification, or do you want to be
No,
renewing it
you
every
get a
3
free.
months?
You get a free one. I can get a free one.
So you want to be renewing it every 3 months?
I can set it to auto renew every 3 months. So literally, I can set up a cron script that will auto renew it. It only has to run one command every 3 months. It'll take the website down for like a couple seconds while it renews the certificate. And we could schedule it for being like at midnight your time,
Which would be what for your time?
5 a.m.
Would you be able to?
Yeah,
do
but
that
it'd be a
every-
cron script. Be a cron script. So cron script runs automatically as long as the DPS is on.
Okay, well I'll just pay for it. Would we do individual or would it be business?
Individual. Have you put a root password in, by the way?
I just
So,
no. I don't know. It asked me to type in a password, and I just typed in a password.
alright. Make sure to share that password with me. Because I'll need to
Okay,
access
well
it.
then I should go back and change that. Can I go back?
Yeah, I think you should change it then. Change it to password that we should both know.
I can't go back. Can I?
Go to this link.
Okay, there we
I've
go.
sent it's got all the selections that you would have had.
I'm trying to think of a password that I would remember, and I'm trying to think of a password that I would remember and that you would remember.
But the fact is, I don't have to remember it. I've got a password manager.
There we go.
Alright. I'll store that in my password manager.
It's my brother's name, so I should be able to remember that.
I would hope you would remember that.
Oh, I don't want you to know my address, but oh well.
Yeah, I don't need to know your address. That password is only for the root account of the VPS.
Well, yeah, you only need the root access.
Yeah, I only need the root access. Yeah. Password.
United, make sure we use your telephone for password recovery purchases. Sure, thank you.
Alright, saved it in my password manager.
Alright, let me minimize this just in case people are chatting with me.
Weak password. This password is too easy. Yeah.
Invalid? What do you mean? That's like, should I just pick my? I guess with my account, I'm gonna type. I'll put it in Canada since apparently it says that my phone number is wrong.
Well, yeah, you're gonna have to put it in Canada, otherwise it won't recognize it.
Okay, well, apparently I have to type in a telephone number, but it tells me that my area code is not right.
Nice.
But I have it set to Canada.
Nice.
Oh, that's why. Because I had to have a +1 with it. Fucking ridiculous.
+1, isn't that the United States?
Oh, wait, this doesn't accept PayPal. Oh, yeah, that's okay.
+1 is United States, right?
No, that's Canada. Oh. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna pay for it for the whole year.
Oh, Canada and the United States use the same country calling code.
No.
They do.
So I said okay. So
Oh,
I'm gonna
did you?
purchase it for the whole year, okay?
Yeah, go ahead.
Where are you going? Hey, how you doing, Fortnite boss? Okay, it's paid. We received your order. Unfortunately, a problem occurred with the payment, which is why is on hold. Please check your email after we receive your payment. We'll set up the order of the project. Estimated.
Yeah, so that's normal. So basically, they put your hold before they can verify the payment.
Web space 3 hours, VPS 3 hours, server
normally it's a
48
bit
hours.
quicker than that. So hopefully by I suspect by probably 1 o'clock my time, they'll have it set up most likely. If not, they'll have it set up by tomorrow morning my time. Be afternoon my time by the time you wake up. But you'll get an email as soon as the payment validated it.
Yeah, how long will that?
So
how long will that take?
So when I bought mine, so if I go on my email, I don't know why, but my email never wants to launch today.
Alright, so wait, what? Okay, give me a second. Oh, it gave me my control panel login.
Yeah, we'll do.
Incorrect password? What do you mean it's incorrect? Should I switch the control panel password?
So when
Because you need the control panel email and password, don't you?
No, I don't. I only need the root, remember? So as soon as you send me the IP of the server and when it's set up, I can log on straight on.
Your customer, please make sure you're in communication with us as well. We're referring to the payment to allow us. Below you will review what you ordered. Your initial payment for contact period of 12 months is, if you have not set, okay. So I just have to wait for another email.
So
Just there you go. Move your stuffed animal. I can't reach it. Do you want me to wait?
wait, did they send you the customer order? Hang on, screen share it, the email to me real quickly. That they sent you.
They sent me multiple emails. They sent me this one. Good. How are you? I'm good.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, next one. Next one. They've received payment. Next one. There you go. Click on. You can check the current status at the time here. They have a hyperlink there. Do drag that across to so I can see it. So it's now processing and provisioning. You can see down there provision. So they will provision that within the next 3 hours. For me it took.
No,
so
sorry,
I.
official.
For me it took. I ordered it at 8 past midnight. They had it all up and running 8 minutes later.
Okay, so I'll just play a little bit of survival and then.
Yeah, as soon as they send you over, like, your server has been set up, email me the IP of the server. Well, not email, just send it in the chat. Here, and then I can then remote on, do a preliminary setup.
Yeah,
And then get all
I should wait before I buy the Mine Store, or should I buy the Mine Store now?
You can buy the Mine Store now if you really wanted to.
Or should we wait until...
Yeah, wait until you get the VPS, because
800
then,
gigabytes of storage is nuts.
So it's 800. That'd be fine. So that host.
That will host the website. I could honestly put the bot too after the year.
You could, yeah, you could probably put the bot on there. I'll set up a
Pterodactyl.
I'll probably set up a Pterodactyl. I don't know entirely what I'll set up on that VPS, but I'll let you know what I do.
Because that 800 gigabytes of storage would be good.
What you can actually do, so you know the panel on that's on your current VPS, the new panel,
Yeah.
you can literally set up a different node and have the Discord bot on there. You don't actually have to install Pterodactyl on the VPS. All you have to do is put the node thing on it. So literally, you can set up a new node. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, okay.
Done.
I could do all that for website too, couldn't I?
No.
No. Okay. That
So website can't be done on Pterodactyl.
Okay, well let's join live stream since we don't need to be in game anymore.
All right.
No point in being in there.
Yeah, fair enough.
I'm a vote. So custom fishing can't move into next season of Skyblock or Survival because it's not updated to 1.20. Like it loads, but it gives a bunch of crash error in the console.
What? SB?
Custom fishing.
Oh, well, on SB.
On Skyblock, yeah.
Yeah. All right, I can have a look at that.
Because it's not updated to 1.20 yet.
Is it not?
No. But I found another thing that I'm gonna add.
Oh yeah, that's what you're using. Yeah, I thought that's what you were using.
Let me see if I can find it.
Is it they're using even more fish? No,
Yeah.
that's been updated.
Yeah, even more fish. Yeah.
Yeah, that's been updated from 20. What are you using for the fishing?
Fishing? Custom fishing.
I'm being blind.
On survival, it's custom fishing.
Oh, you haven't actually put it in SB yet.
No, I tried it. It kept doing a bunch of crash errors. So.
All right. Okay.
Because it says that your server's not up to date. So. I like that even more fish because it gives you extra fish, so it's more of an extra thing for people to do. So like there's fishing contests and stuff. So basically, Koth's gonna be their envoy, and then I want to do.
That's the wrong one. Guess.
So pretty much, after I'm done streaming at 7, I'm tackling a bunch of the Skyblock. Like I've already done. So what's gonna happen with Skyblock, which I think for this is, so a lower rank of donors are gonna have fly on the islands, like just island fly, so you can only fly on the island. And then the higher ranks are gonna have it that they can fly on other people's islands.
I swear to God, every time I random TP, right?
Yeah.
I spawn near a jungle.
I already
TP.
TP'd and spawned by the border. So that's literally where my base is by the border. I'm not kidding here.
Home. We've got a home there, I'm guessing.
I can TP you even if you have TP disabled.
Yeah, I know TPO.
Yeah.
The reason I have TP disabled is because of TPA and.
Yeah, if you want to go for a nap, go for a nap, baby. I'll wake you up at 9 o'clock.
Oh, I've dropped my pickaxe.
I hope you didn't drop it on my farm. Just move the stuff. I can't reach that stuff. Just put it on my side. And you can take my polo if you want to sleep on it. Okay?
There's a ruined portal just in the middle here. A ruined portal and a village. That's pretty good.
Oh, your foot's on the cord. Lift your foot. It's the socks. The socks are stopping it. There you go. Do you want my polo? Okay, I'll wake you up, okay? Yes, I can cover you up. I'll cover up my little baby. I'll be back.
Guessing you have it so one of these observers are covered.
Yes, if I bring Prod in here, if I get all scratched.
cool.
Hi. What's that? Oh, you're giving kisses now, huh?
Goodbye.
I have you. Hi. Do you roll around in your cat litter? No, she's gonna lay beside you over there, over on the other side. See? It's like, Mommy, I'll lay on my side of the bed, you lay on your side. I love you. Yeah, where is it? Oh, done. Login's done.
Oh, is it done?
Yeah.
Send me across the IP in DMs.
How about that? How about I
I
just copy
suppose
the
that works.
How about I just copy the whole email?
I suppose that works. I like that customer idea is pretty good.
What custom
Right.
ID? What?
It's all low numbers. So if we go to
I don't know what you mean by custom ID. Oh, custom ID.
customer.
Okay, let me
Oh, group. I'm a moron.
let me remove that from there. Oh wait, I can't. I physically can't.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm not bothered.
No. Okay.
I'm not exactly gonna use it, am I?
No.
I can't log on with that.
No, just it's not you. It's just I don't trust other people. That's all. Like that.
Oh yeah, of course that's
Because people like to gain the access and just fuck around with people's shit.
Okay, label.
But you haven't done that yet.
That we never did.
Even after I removed you for dev a while back.
Hey, I'm all logged in. Right, I will start with updates and make sure it's all up to date.
Like I was like, oh, 3 hours. No, only about
Yeah,
20 minutes.
Yeah, they're pretty quick.
Like 800 gigabytes is the worst down there. Because I might host a couple more bots too on there. Because we can host. We can
host more. We can literally host like probably about.
Well, because like I want to get rid of a lot of bots, and I want to host like host our own bots, like.
But that's why I'm working on my own custom bot right now.
Because like I want to be able to like the Unrealtactical like chat and stuff that's hosted through I don't even know if that's like a webhook or something. I don't know.
No, that is through the Discord plugin on the server, JDA. Give the server a reboot.
But it's like I don't really need Coral bot. Like I want to be able to have my Discord where there's like I host everything.
So basically, what my ultimate goal in one of my other Discord servers, where I am head of development,
turn
head
it
of
off now?
Minecraft development, um, is no bots are not hosted. So they're all hosted by me with one bot, except for a backup moderation bot, which is Dino. Dino is the backup moderation bot.
Yeah.
I always keep one bot per backup because what if my whole VPS goes down and I'm not there? I'm like on holiday or something.
Yeah.
My
What do we use
moderators,
CarlBot for?
I think it's message logs. Okay, right, let's
Yeah,
go
that's
back.
literally it.
Right, so reconnect, add.
Doesn't CoreBot do all that?
Pretty much.
I mean, because I don't ever see them showing the delete messages. Like if somebody types my base is shit, that would show. I don't see it in message logs. So.
Right, I'm doing all the updates on the VPS we've just bought. Yeah. So that'll probably take another 10 minutes to do. Oh, why is it raining?
At least this way too, like $217 a month a year.
It's not bad.
Hosts the store, hosts W. Also, once my year's up for the bots, it will host the bots too.
Yeah. So it hosts one web store and all that kind of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Lovely. You wouldn't know half of these commands I'm doing right now.
Nope.
That is why I'm basically I'm a Linux. People think I am a Windows admin because I use Windows. But I'm a Linux admin. I prefer Linux over Windows, and if I could use it on a daily driver, I would. I wouldn't use Windows, but a lot of my applications are Windows only, which is annoying. I do keep a secondary Windows, a secondary Linux machine, which I put down here, which is a old Samsung Teleron unit that came with Windows 7 for like small scale development while I'm on holiday. So when I was on holiday in Spain last year, I took a MacBook for my daily driver. I hated it by the time I was back. I still have that faithful MacBook here, right next to me. It's a chunky MacBook, one of their old 2012 models. MacBook Pro. While I was doing that, I'm going to quickly grab something to eat, go to the toilet, all that kind of stuff. Back in my
So yeah, it's $54 a year for my Discord bot.
Mm-hmm.
So if I took the bot off after the year, in next May,
You would say $54.
that $54 would just put right to that. Plus, after I want to get that store set up before my craft. I think what's my crafting store license good until? Oh, I have 13 days left. I might have to buy another month.
Yeah, buy another month. That gives us time.
Yeah, so give me another month to set up the store at least. Alright, I'll be a minute. Yeah, okay, so pretty much I'll give you an extra month to set up the store.
Yeah.
So should I buy?
Can't be.
Should I buy? I'm gonna pay for the store now. This money I got left in PayPal now that I just paid that. Oh, excuse me.
So you're gonna buy that door now?
The store thing, yeah. Holy crap! I'm down to 696. Well, you knew how much I had with that extra number in front, so now. Holy crap! This month I made $731. Last month, holy crap! Last week, $222. Damn. I think I'm making more than River Network.
Come on, mate.
Oh crap! I need to go back to crafting store, dashboard, plans, renew my silver. Country.
Lovely. The VPS is all updated.
Oh.
I can actually get it started to install.
So for the store though, can I be able to edit like how I do on like this? How will you be able for me to do this stuff like this? Like the payment history, like the dashboard for my stats. You're watching my screen share, right?
I mean, you don't need to share it right now. Share in our dev meeting later.
No, but just look, I don't really care. It's the store. Like where,
yeah, it will. It will
like,
show. Yeah, it will show you.
where
Yeah.
I can see how they paid it, and then I can look up their payment.
Yeah, it will have all that.
I don't care. It's the only other person in here is.
Fair enough.
It's the features. Let me take a look at the features here. Even even though I'm paying for a lower plan on the crafting store, like look at the plans on crafting store. Like they're not bad either. Like okay, I don't get the chargeback protection. Blah blah blah. But they're not bad. Like Discord notifications, CMS pages. Like they're not horrible. Webhooks, a custom Discord. But wait, what?
Oh, I don't want to listen to this song right now.
But like that's not bad for like the price.
Hang on 1 second. I need to set something up.
Like the only bad part, the teams teams for full team account permissions would be freaking $20.
Yeah, it's pretty expensive. While this gets set up, I just need. Where do you currently?
The domain is on
Uh,
Namecheap.
Domain is on where?
Namecheap.
Namecheap. Ah, lovely jubbly. Alright, 1 second. Let me set something up.
I want to see what the features are. USD transactions, customers. But they've only had a solid facts, but they've only had 554 customers. 2 years of development, self-hosted. The critical difference between our competitors is that you pay once and get the product. You host yourself on the hardware. You're not limited with acceleration in the code and can make your store unique. I like that. Like, we can make it any type of thing that we want. Because now we won't be limited to the way the store looks.
I need you to set something up called. If you could add a DNS record for this with the. Oh, have you not? You. No. Set up a record for this. Going to that IP address, so an A record.
With an A record?
Yeah, an A record. So basically, that tells the A record to use that.
Holy crap! I got 1, 2, 3, 4 A records.
Yeah, A records are like pointing towards, like, for example, your panel reports to IP address. That's what the A does.
Tell me what I should have it. Oh, okay. You wanted it.
I've sent it to you already.
You wanted to have it as that. Okay. Should we have it as that in front before we do? Because just in case somebody searches that.
We can always just put it as like, yeah, because we have to, because remember, domain transfers cost $70 extra. Remember.
Oh yeah.
So we may as well get it set up on there.
I wanted to.
We can put it on maintenance mode most likely.
But, oh well. Buy sounds better. Aye. There you
That
go.
means we don't have to take down the. Has that been done
Yeah.
to that IP address?
Yeah, it'll be updated in like a minute.
Okie dokie.
Oh wait, what? What happened? Where is it? Oh, there it is.
So it will take a while to do it. So I'm gonna wait myself about maybe 10 minutes before I do it.
Well, I have it set.
Yo, how many people are on your server?
What? What? Sorry, what?
How many people are on the server? Survival?
Oh, hey, what's up, Whiskey?
What's up?
Or should I say Fatwoods?
Yep. Nah, whiskey better.
There's 8 people, 9 including you on hub.
I'm in the hub.
Yeah.
Alright, bet. Appreciate it.
You want me to send you to survival?
Huh?
Want me to send you all the way to survival?
Dude, if you do, that'd be epic.
There you go, you're in survival.
Alright, bet. I'm on the way home. Alright, peace. Appreciate it.
We've been in hub all day, pretty much. Been hub all day.
How long was he in hub for?
Probably about 6 hours.
Yeah, that guy, like the first time he joined up the server, he was buying ranks, he bought keys. Like this guy spent easily like $100 on his like first couple days of being on the server. Let me take a look real quick here and I'll tell you. Look up username. Minecraft username. So within 4 days, right, of his first purchase. So we bought fish rank on the 24th, bought rabbit rank upgrade on the 26th, and then later that day on the 26th, he bought maple syrup rank. Full out, didn't even upgrade, just full out bought it. And
Fair enough.
then he bought 5 epic keys. You want to see what we made overall on the server for 2 years?
Come on.
That's just this one web store, not including the other stores. So on this one, it's 8, 9. Okay, so that's just this one store, right? I got more. Another plus 45. The skyblock plus 621. Wait, alright, I guess, yeah, select prison.
Short-lived.
Short-lived, yeah. Unrealtactical, this was factions. Or I think. Yeah, I think it was factions. Oh, set. So let's go back to the regular store now. Right, so if I add up this, that's how much I've made in 2 years. PayPal also takes a fee every single time. Tristan?
Yeah, I'm here, sorry.
That's how much I made with excluding any PayPal fees.
Yeah.
Because when I get a donation, PayPal takes, depending on the price, like $1 at a time. Or if I look at the, where's this 55 rank? He bought a $50. What rank was this one? Was this? Oh, those were 2 epic keys. Like, look at that, $1.46. Right here. See? So I saw the rank for $55. They take off a $2.34 fee.
Yeah.
Not including, so the domain, I pay $22 a year.
Oh. It's failing on the SSL certificate. Which means it's not recognised the A record.
Yeah, it takes time, I guess, unless, I don't know.
Ah, I'm a bit of a moron.
Because you didn't do something you were supposed to?
I forgot to allow the tab through the file.
Dumbass. Variables are
Oh,
additional
still
information
fake,
you
anyway.
can request from users. It may be the type of information, dynamic text, or drop down into a statistic. I don't know what variables mean. I can manage team members. Okay, that would be good. Feature pack. Promote
that my
specific
story?
packages
Yeah.
through the categories, advertising markets, and packages as featured, or selected packages.
They're
will be
actually
marked.
working on a 3.0 right now.
Statistics.
so-
Okay, so they have the statistics thing, what I was asking you about.
Yeah.
Compression ranks. The category is containing compression articles. Oh, I
So
like
you know
that.
how high
Ooh.
Hypixel has the
But they don't tell me any other feature. Oh, they got fraud protection, so that's good. So that means that we develop a unique system that will allow you to identify chargebacks and fraud in your store. Our test has shown the amount of chargebacks decreased by 70% at the beginning. We are natural. Yes, but what happens if somebody chargebacks? Do I keep the money? Like,
chargeback. Basically, it does a.
so it
has
automatically
chargeback.
does all the evidence.
So all it is the evidence that you send off to PayPal.
So it generates it for me, and all I have to do is send it to PayPal.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Because I had one day where I had like a massive chargeback. because somebody's bank account, their grandma closed their bank account and charged back everything because I guess it was all still technically pending. Ban and whitelist, that's cool. Custom protection. Customize the protection for yourself. Ban certain countries in case of an entry barrier. Ban the user. I don't really care about the country that they're in. We analyze information from all mine stores and so pretty much how is it linked though? Like I don't get how is it that it's linked from the other stores if you self-host it? I don't understand that part.
I was trying to hack the system.
Do you understand that part though?
What's this?
Where they from the network thing where they go from other stores, but aren't we all self-hosting it?
I don't know. Oh, what the network thing where the fraud protection?
Yeah.
Basically, they all talk. Of course, they talk to a central IP, which is the license server.
Yeah.
So they all collated to there, and then they talk back to each other.
Ah.
Most likely, I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah, when you're like clearing, it clears the RAM. I'm like, what do you mean by that? Like that made no sense to me. I'm like, what the fuck's this guy talking about clearing? What? I still don't understand what it was, but I'll just go with it.
Yeah, just go with it because
Somebody said clear the cache, but it's like RAM holds cache?
RAM holds loads of shit.
Is that maybe why my computer was sounding so loud?
No, that won't be why.
Well, I took a clock, so I took my electric air duster is dead. So I'm gonna have to charge that. So I had an extra canister, but I lost the air duster canister, right?
Oh.
I lost the fucking straw for it, like the plastic for the air
Look
duster.
at that.
Okay, but
Just sent you in, James. So you know how we have the domain.
yeah.
You can add me as a manager. That means I can then make changes to the records.
But do you really need to?
Not really, but I've just thought you had a look.
That's cool. Maybe.
I don't know why this is not working. Keep on requesting. Yeah, I'm not sure why it doesn't think it exists. It does exist.
Learn more. No, wait, not go back. I want to learn more. Why when I click learn more, it doesn't give me learn more? Okay, whatever.
I wonder if it's pended in like that you're the US, not my area yet.
What?
That shouldn't matter because the VPS is in
No,
United States.
no, I'm refreshing my page and it's not working.
Where the hell is this?
I'm pretty sure I set it to the IP that you asked me to.
Share screen. Yeah, share screen with it. Not now.
Go to stop PC quickly.
Okay. Yeah.
It's set to automatic. Let me set it to 1 minute.
So yeah, that looks all fine.
Give it about 30 minutes and it should be fine. Because I find that when I set it to 1 minute, it goes like in a snap of a heartbeat.
Yeah. Alright, fair enough.
Because I have all this here. Like I have the premium DNS. the within shield for privacy.
Yeah, oh god, prude, yeah, that's bloody annoying.
I have everything. I have all the protection that it gives. Automatic
Well,
could
we'll
have
see.
taken up to like 48 hours, so. Okay,
Potentially.
let's turn back live stream. General, anyone know if they're at? I'm thinking about maybe next. Wait. Complex? Complex? Is that you?
Yeah, it seems to be.
Is it working now?
Hello,
Hello,
message.
inviting. Been a while. Been a very long while. Let me get you your rank back that you purchased.
Oh, you have reset stuff?
Yeah, it's a new season. I'm working on Skywalk, and then I'm gonna work on a new survival season again. I know this season just started like a month ago, but
No, my baby.
sick fish. There you go.
I didn't realize my base.
It should be unclaimed change. I think Tristan actually unclaimed it.
What,
I may not have unclaimed it. I may have missed one.
You didn't unclaim that nether portal?
I may have missed. Oh, box had put me in a.
Yeah, so I plan to do.
Yeah,
Honestly,
I meant
the new season of survival that I'm planning, I have it literally all in my head, and I think the
There you
only,
go. Should no longer be claimed.
I think the only person that I would explain it to would probably be Tristan, and he would probably still barely. I mean, he might actually understand, but still barely
What's this?
understand the new season of survival that I have planned. I have it. I
I
have
would
it like.
probably understand it. I just wouldn't care.
I just have like so much ideas in my head. Like I'm revamping the entire survival season.
Wait, Gunner.
What's up?
I'm not gonna lie to you. I think before I got out, cause I believe I had logged onto the I believe I logged on to like a month before it
Yeah, it reset to
before it wiped.
June
Yeah, reset.
2nd.
I had got a different rank. I think it was either rabbit or beaver.
Oh no! If you win if you win ranks from crates, it only stays for that season.
Oh, it's only that season.
Yeah.
Alright.
But you paid for fish ranks, so
I think that's the first fish rank I've seen in a while. Because everyone that has bought fish rank is normally bought the next rank up, a rabbit or something. I don't know the ranks here. I don't really pay attention to it. James, you got your rank bought for you, didn't you? I don't need a rank. I already have all permissions.
No, I'm saying I had joined to see the progress on the server. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna join back later. I gotta go do something real quick.
Yeah, so it hasn't done it. It'll probably be done by tomorrow morning. Yes. How can I help? Why does that worry me? Don't know actually. I would go with. Go either. Not that one. Concrete. Concrete would be quite a good one to do.
What?
James just asked me what the last square of his 4 squares called. I think it should be. I said concrete. Concrete says blue and black. Yeah. I like the combination of red and orange, but you've already got red and orange there, so. Red and orange is one of my favourite combos. Red because I colour my favourite football team. Orange is because it's a mix between red and yellow. And yellow is my prehistoric good colour. I'm going to pretend you did say that.
Well, it's true. With me and you, we can do some crazy.
No, not you. I was speaking to James.
Oh, in chat.
Damn. Phantoms, you have to sleep to make them go away. So phantoms go if you don't sleep for 3 Minecraft days in a row. So you have to sleep and then they'll go away. And you have to sleep every 3 days. Bit pants,
So,
but the only reason Cool keeps them in is because what's the item they drop?
I don't know what they dropped. Whiskey's gonna be doing
I would do what I am.
Hi,
spinning it
okay,
down
James.
now.
If you're using mods for different things like that, I suggest turning it off. I don't.
We saw the Minecraft
what's
player
up, Joe?
right.
What's up, Ranger? Like, I don't mind if you use some mods, but I prefer you not to use some.
Phantom membrane. What are phantom membranes used for?
They're used
No.
for brewing, I think. Ranger, you gonna come back and join the server, my guy, or what?
Yeah, bro. To make slow falling, or to repair elytras.
Next season, I think I might just remove phantoms and make it that people.
I might just what I might do is I might make it this season. So I might.
And you're
remove
gonna add it to
phantoms.
the shop where they can just buy it.
Yeah.
Maybe later.
But that'll be another.
Well,
that'll
Skyblock's
be
in the
next
works,
week.
Ranger, and I'm also gonna be working on a crazy new season of Survival.
I hate phantoms. Every server I've ever made since when did they get added? Like 1 point.
I don't know.
19.
What I'm really waiting for is them to fix the freaking netherite thing. Yo, so I made a ticket right on RN. To update my Discord message, right? And prompt, he answered the ticket to update it, but their bot doesn't allow their manager to post in the partnerships. So he spam tagged Knight, and Knight said, "Stop, I'm on Lola," and he said, "It's a message. Send it in the message into partnerships." I'm so fed up. If you have time to reply. You have time to send it in memberships.
Yeah, they're horrible. I know.
And
They've been so disorganized since I left. Well, more to the fact I got blacklisted. I'm blacklisted. I can never join back.
That's okay.
Because-
They got Warrior and everybody fucking taking over.
Yeah, I know. I don't care. If I was to work on a server, I would work on what was the shit server I worked on previously? I can't remember right now. I'll probably.
Oh my
come
god,
up
they
with
got
that
so many
later.
different. They got 26 different bots on this goddamn server.
I know. When I took over development on not RM but another squad I'm on, they had 50 bots. Guess how many they have now?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Let me actually look.
I have
So
I have
took
17,
over-
but I have a censor bot because people like to swear.
So when I started, it was 50. It's down to 16 at the moment. So I managed to remove 34 bots.
I want to host my own ping cord bot. It's like the ping cord bot where it does my Twitter notifications, it does my TikTok, my YouTube, my Twitch, and my Kick. Every time I stream, upload.
I can work on a bot like that, to be fair. So basically, most of the bots that I've got in this one, my own custom bot, the beta version of the bot, and my mob mail. That's 3 different bots. They insist on having Discord and DSME and stuff like that. I hate it. And then invite logger. I'm working on a bot for that. Trident. Never heard of it. CRP, never heard of it.
Because then we can just throw it all on that VPS and then connect it to my panel on my on my other one.
Yeah, that's not too hard.
No, I wouldn't believe you. I just played a nuke and then create a server for it or whatever.
Oh, Zen limit.
I'm sure it's not that hard. I probably wouldn't be able to do it, but I'm sure it's not that hard for you
What?
to do it.
To set up a new node.
Yeah, to set up the, well, I could probably do it on the pterodactyl, but I'm meaning set it up. We'd have to figure out how to set that all up, but that probably wouldn't take
It's
too long.
it's like it'll take like 5 minutes to do it. Because I've done it so many damn times.
But yeah, putting
unfair.
everything pretty much all together, like the servers all together on one, and then the VPS, having all the Discord bots, all the store and everything. I feel like that's a lot better idea as everything's all there. Then you don't have multiple places like the Discord bot. I'm going over here. The domain. I'm going over here. The server. I'm going over here. The other server. I'm going over here. Da 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 da.
Yeah, we need to move the spyboard onto the new panel.
Oh, I paid for the old panel for another month.
Yeah, so we need to move it soon.
The reason I did that is because I don't see a point in having that downtime for this season if I'm just working on a new season. So I just paid for it for an extra month.
Can we put Project P on the new VPS?
Well, when it's done, when you're ready for it to actually be moved, yeah.
Well, we'll move it now. While it's in development, then I don't have to move too much. When
How big will it be though? Because I don't want you like crazy lagging the server while you're working
no,
on it.
I won't like the server. It won't be even joined to the server until I'm done with it.
Oh, you mean you want me to type in that IP so you can just join it through the server? Or you want to put all the files to the...
Just I want all the files moved over, and then we'll connect it to the when I'm done with the actual development of it. So it'll be separate but on the same VPS.
Sure, just give me a minute. I gotta fully figure out how to make it go properly. Okay, so server name. Okay, server description. Server owner. key this. We don't need an extra. Database limits, none. CPU usage, what, 200?
I don't mind. Do what you want. But
Uh,
set it to at least 200.
so, allowed to use up 2 threads. Okay. Memory, how much memory?
How much am I currently using?
So, 17 for survival.
It won't be much.
Why does he have 15 gigabytes on my dev?
I currently got 8 gigabytes
15
selected
plus
product page.
11 plus 6 plus 18 plus 6. We're using 56 right now. Well, we have 128, so.
Yeah, so
how much am I gonna put on
give
person?
give me 8 for now. I may want to increase
How
it
much?
later.
How much MBIs is that? Per memory?
8192.
8192.
Yeah.
Okay, disk space. This server will not be allowed to boot if it's using more. How much space should we set?
It won't use much, so 15 gig. So it won't have like a massive survival.
How do these things have unlimited?
You set 0 as the integer.
Okay,
And then
well, I'll just set
that'll
0
keep-
for now. Enable OM
I
killer.
think that's how you do
Terminate
it.
the server if it breaches the memory limits.
No.
CPU paneling. Pinning. Do I need? Okay. Ooh, I might have to go poop. Okay. CPU paneling. Should I set anything that? Enter the specific CPU threads that processes can run on. If leave blank, it will allow it to run on all threads.
Yeah, just leave blank.
Details about sleep. Okay, Java 17.
Yeah.
Yes, Minecraft egg paper.
Okay, so yeah.
Latest version, download path, nothing server, latest crate server.
Yeah, just keep all that default.
Okay. I'll add you to it and then
Indeed.
can you give me the thing for me to add your user?
Oh.
Or you
Yeah,
have to
sure.
because I really don't have to go to the bathroom. Oh, that guy that was that advertised there.
Yeah,
trying
no,
to
I
join
tried
on
to join.
Create user. Control panel. File. You don't need a backup. Allocation. You don't need to do allocation. Startup. Database. Schedule. Settings. And activity. There you go.
There we go. Okay.
I'll be back. I
Can't
have
see
to go
it.
to the bathroom. Let me go inside my dome with my alt real quick, that way I don't die. BRB. Holy crap, it's almost 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Here, I'll be a minute. hey, what's up, crazy? Oh. I'm back, ladies and gentlemen. Tristan? Is Tristan leave? Hello? Anybody here? Tristan?
I'm here.
So... Oh, what the hell? Oh, excuse me. Damn, I can't believe I've been streaming for an hour and a half already. Oh, Tristan. What's the activation key?
You're buying it, remember? We can't do it for another hour, by the way.
Why?
Not until the SSL certificate come, because I've hit the max fail verifications you can do in them.
Wait, so how, if I'm buying it, how the hell do you already have it set up?
Because you can install, like download all the prerequisites and the actual software.
We support two different. Okay, well let me finish ending my stream and everything, and then I'll read that stuff.
Yeah, so I won't do it until we don't do it until the SSL's in place, which will take another hour because I've hit too many failed verifications in a 1 hour period.
I'm guessing I wouldn't be able to do that.
No, it's per IP, so I've requested it from the IP too many times. Oh, that was a mistake. I'm kind of glad I had full damage on for that one. Full damage on. So I had to put Optifine on because my resource packs were quite Optifine for some reason. Awesome shot. One shot.
Well, there was a lot of dust on my fan, so what I did was I used a cloth and I cleaned it.
That could also basically dust can lead to heat.
Heat what?
So you know, like, you know how your PC can overheat and stuff.
Yeah, you realize that my PC wasn't even on for the entire night. So now where does that heat thing come in then? I had air conditioning on all night.
This bow is awesome.
So that scraps that whole thing, doesn't it? About it being hot.
Just one shot. What?
That scraps that whole thing about it being hot, doesn't it?
I need to clean out the fans in my computer.
Yeah, the dust was like caked on to my fans.
You don't want to see the inside of my PC. It's not been cleaned in like.
I didn't clean it.
Since I got it actually.
Yeah, mine.
I got it like a year ago.
Mine wasn't clean for a couple months, but your room is probably a lot less dustier than mine.
So I need to get a new cooler, which I'm actually going to buy tonight. I'm buying a new cooler because mine is so old. The thermal paste is probably all gone.
Matt's gonna this week. Sparky is gonna come and for me. He's gonna come re-thermal paste my CPU because when I got it, like when I first got it 2 years ago, when we were having overheating problems and we had no idea why. Like I'd randomly be playing Bedrock for hours. You remember? I used to play just Bedrock, right? And my Bedrock would just randomly crash.
Oh, phantoms, go away. I'm so gonna work on that phantom. Actually, I can actually disable phantoms right now.
Alright, let's do my TikTok. No, I did my TikTok. Let me do my YouTube short. I stopped streaming on my other channel. I just moved to just YouTube, Twitch, and my subs.
Did you combine Twitch and Kick there? Twig.
No, well, not really. I said Twitch and then Kick, but I said it all in one sentence. Twitch Kick.
Yeah. Twig.
Twitch Kick. My way sounds better. The server's quiet today.
Quiet is banned in my workplace.
This season, though, we didn't get very many players. I don't think many people enjoyed this season.
That's like my first season at RM.
But I think what I think a lot of people didn't enjoy was like a lot of people are pissed off because of the netherite thing, which the netherite thing is out of my hands. There's nothing I can do for that. But if I update the server to 1.20 in the new season, that fixes it all.
Yeah. Like we're still getting early morning, so when I wake up like 7 a.m. in the morning,
Like we still
I
have
see
around
like 17
15
people.
Yeah, but I feel
17.
like I'm gonna explain my new season of survival to you once I'm done streaming. But like my watch time is up by 50% the last 7 days. My watch time minutes is 1.32, so it's up by 86%. It's just my views are not going up. I gotta get my views up. Ew, fuck.
Did you see MCC Islands now open?
No idea what you just said.
Do you know what MC Championships are?
No.
It's basically a bunch of YouTubers and streamers, big famous ones, participate in a championship I think it's every month. And it has custom mini games and stuff.
No, I don't watch much Minecraft YouTubers. Honestly, I stream Minecraft, but
You know Technoblade? Oh, of course you do. He did Minecraft Championship for a while.
Never watched them, but I heard of them.
They were awesome.
Ew, really? Rain? Ew. He likes the Hostess unicorn fucking cupcakes.
I do recommend you do watch it. They're awesome.
I'm sorry, but there's okay. Hey everybody.